Hi everyone, a big question I get, especially about citrus, is why is my citrus not growing? Has yellow leaves, dropping leaves, and is just very spindly. And this could be for any plant as well. So a lot of times people are like, I fertilized it and I sprayed it for bugs. Something that a lot of times people don't check for is circling roots and a root system that's just not developing. So something that I tell people to do is go to your tree, grab it at the trunk, sort of further down, and start rocking it. Now, a tree that's been in the ground for several years should be very well rooted in, but you notice this one here, there's a lot of movement close to the trunk. This one I'm suspecting might have either circling roots, or another reason your tree may do this is if the area is super wet and the roots are rotting and it's just growing in one or sort of a small area. So what I recommend to people is if it's really sick and sickly looking and you get a lot of movement really close to the trunk and it's been in there for a couple of years, is wait until springtime, that's ideal, is dig it up, see if the roots are circling, detangle them if they are. If the soil is really wet in there, then either add soil to plant it back on a mound or even move it to a different spot, because without a good root system, the plant is going to be sickly up above, and no amount of fertilizer, pesticides, of course, is going to help that. So hopefully this is a tip that will help you with your plants.